Do-do. It's Thomas the Train, Thomas the Train, Thomas the Train, come along. Do-do-do. He's a number one engine from Sodor. I will never be afraid again. Do-do-do. Percy needs to take for a walk, but for her days, but he needs to walk. You alright, Mickey? I'm alright. I just got retired from the job. And also, I want to take it. Thank you very much, Percy. Where's Thomas? Where is he? We got him here. Can you go get Thomas, please? Okay, I'll hard to get Thomas from Sodor. It was obviously very lovely and good ticket. Percy needs to get Thomas the tank engine from Sodor. But whenever you see him, but where is he now? He could be found nowhere. Thomas? Hello? Boo-hoo! Whoa! Ah, hello! This is Thomas the Tank Engine here! I am Thomas the Tank Engine. You using this radar 3000 yet? Yeah. I'm really careful. Okay. Very nice to watch. Look out the news! Then later, a director walks over, and to get him there, out of a prison jail. Just get the prison out of yours until we came back. Obviously the king yours was a good politic to be back again. And later, opens the door, and sees a bear. I can't believe I got stay in jail for 3 weeks. There's a bear coming out of jail. Oh, Thomas, look. Not again. Done that yesterday. Oh. You know what? You're not biting me. In the bathtub again. Oh my god, what have I done? I flooded the whole water. Get off my newsreader! Wow, you knocked Henry off. I knocked him off. Get off myself. No! I will break your newsreader. No, you are not! Ah! Ah! Whoa, never mind away. When everyone's in bed, he's going to break it. Hey, look at me now. Now I'm going to throw this camera in 3, 2, 1, deep into the water. Let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Oh, cool. Alright, I gotta sleep now. Right. So nice say, wait, where's my newsreader? What, it could be down here. My newsreader! 3,000 is down! No! I can't go down because I don't want to get stuck and lost. Thomas, please help me. Where's Thomas? Where's Thomas? Where is he? Thomas. Thomas. Where are you? The number 1 train is gone. Thomas! I got trapped in a bathtub. What? The news radio 3000 is down here! I can't get... Oh, wait. Oh, dear. Where's the news radio? Oh, my God. God damn it. Who put that? Oh, my God. I can't go down here. I'll call security. Alright, I'm gonna call... Right. Right. Police McKee! Police McKee! Come here. Somebody went wrong. Oh, my God. I need to get... Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I need some help right here. What's now? What's wrong now, Thomas? What you said? Percy lost news radio 3000 because of the bear. Oh dear. Alright, I'll go get it. Right, it's right down that hole. Injector, can you show me where is his news radio 3000? It's right down that hole. Yeah, is it down that hole? Yeah. Go down that hole. I'll go gently then, so I can go get his camera. Mickey went down very hard. Then it saw it. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh my God. His news radio's one busted. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh wait a minute. I'm trying to. Wait. It still works. Still works. Oh, you can still take pictures off the wall, obviously. I found your news radar. Yay! Right, I'm gonna take him now. Because he's asleep. Right. Alright. Oh my God, it's so hard to cross over there. Can't get it because of rain. There you go. In here. Oh, sorry. In there. You will wake up until the morning. Alright. I'm gonna go with Mickey! What the hell is he screaming? What do you want now, bear? That clumsy bear. I want to get out! No! You stay there for 3 weeks and that's final. I don't care. I'm gonna get retired from my job till tomorrow morning. Because it's Tuesday. Tomorrow I don't know what the hell I get this day sorted. Alright. Alright. You don't have to take photos too much. Alright. Now take photos everywhere. How much I take is of course I do. 3 weeks later, the clumsy bear is out of prison. Then obviously there's a hell down the floor. But all those there, always, you think it's always been like, that's out. Alright! Then out! Oh my God. I'm gonna take this into the hell. Oh dear, the floor is turned into hell. But he has to take this down. 3, 2, 1. Yes! I have did it! Oh my God. Oh my goodness. His camera doesn't see on the floor anymore. I'm gonna go see what hides in it. Oh, sorry. Wait! Oh, ouch. Right, it's just a lovely nice day out. Let me go this way. I have a chicken on the wall. Right, it says, expose the side to sunlight. I don't know what the hell it is. Wait a minute, is it a camera? Oh, it is a camera. Oh my God. Oh my God, this camera's all solid. It's busted and it's broken! Oh, it broke the batteries. Okay. Alright, unfortunately. Right. Let's turn this one on. See if it works. Oh, damn it. Ready? Oh, well. The batteries have been broken. Right, I'm gonna go buy a new one. I don't know what somebody who did this. Oh my god, Percy. I'm very sorry. The batteries have been broken right now because of the clumsy bear. Oh, I need a new news reader now. I know. It's alright. Thomas will get a new one. Don't worry, you'll get a new one just now. With the same one. With the same one just before. Right. That bear is absolutely done. What's that bear? The rough man is now trying to get a new bear. Obviously, the bear's down the floor. Oh my god, where's that? Oh my god, there's a bear. Come on, you. You put me down, rough man. No, I will not put you down. I will throw you to hell because you have been a very bad boy. Have a die. No! I'll tell Noggins to buy a new one. Hello, welcome to the Noggins phone store. How may I help you? I need to get a new newsreader 3000, please. That will be £295 each. Thank you. Oh, it's the same. There you go, look! Wow! A new one! Here we go. It works now! Hey! Now I'll go get Thomas for this. Ha ha ha! Now where is he? Wait a minute! Thomas! He's gone. I don't know where is he. I don't know where is he now. Now and he's gone. We will find him really soon. I wish I can go get really home alone. I wish I could go get him. Anyway, sorry, thank you. Join us again. Oh, sorry, I'm late. What was I saying? Join us again for the next adventure on Thomas and Friends. I'll see you soon. Goodbye. Bye.